How to disinfect small items at home. We can use the ozone function to disinfect many small items in our daily life. Get a box with cover. Place your phone, wallet, face mask, keys, spectacles, anything which needs disinfecting, into the box. Pick up the purifier, press the right button for 3 seconds to activate ozone, then put it inside together with the power bank. Cover the box. The purifier will stop automatically in 10 minutes. After that, you can wait for 10 minutes longer, in order to let the remaining ozone continue to disinfect and change back into oxygen. Meanwhile, you can use it to disinfect shoes. Besides using a box, you can do it in a well-sealed shoe cabinet. In addition to deodorization, fungi inside the shoes are also killed by ozone.